So hello in my next video. In this video I'm improving the grounding pliers for welding machine, and I'm going to implement such a strip tape, conductive Cooper tape, let's say. The original tape is very long, as you could see here. So I made, my first intent was to make it like doubled, because from point of conductivity doubled is more than enough, but problem is that it's still too big, and I would like to have one side on one eye on one side, another eye for another side. So I've decided to bend it in 3 times, like, okay, here, like, where is camera? Bullshit, this camera. Like one you see somehow like this way. In that case, on one side you have one eye, and on another side you have another eye. Here is everything prepared. Just the second eye, it was still too big when I put it like this way, so I bend it one more time. And now I just need to finalize this job, because I prepared everything yesterday, and I have I didn't tell you one thing. For conductive side I will use this brass screw from brass material. It's very high conductivity, very good material. And the opposite side, which will be passive, now it's the smaller side. Yes, this one is passive side. I will use just a rivet, the biggest what I have, but it's still not enough, not big enough. But I don't know where is this rivet. Okay, here we are. Okay, here is the rivet, which I'm going to use it. Basically, I will start with riveting. It's much easier or faster. We have maybe I need to reset up the camera a little bit, like this way. Or maybe like this way, because that way is very offending me. Yeah, okay, this is much better. It is much better. Okay, it's in vicinity. So for the rivet I need to create a hole. Then I just need to put a specific things there. I forgotten the most important thing. On both sides I will implement such Cooper strips, very high current Cooper strips, which are nickelized, or covered by nickel or nickel, I don't know what is the pronunciation. And I prepared for both sides. An original strip is well known in electrician, like grounding strip, and this grounding strip has really very perfect properties. And I saved some of it. Here is another for rivet. So this will also create something like washer, because it is precisely designed for the rivet, you see. And when the rivet is expanding, this will create a washer, in fact. So I will start with the rivet side. Okay. one. I need to okay. It will be not visible everything because I need to operate a little bit, so this camera is not very convenient at the moment here. Perfect. This is my very first experiment to do it something like this. So I really do not know what's gonna be the effect, but I hope that I can, in such a way, I can remake this very old and yeah, is it visible? Something is visible, I hope. Maybe this could be better yeah, this is better situation. Come on. Okay. It is. Maybe I should switch on the light. Yes, that's a little bit better. Much better. Okay. I don't want to magnify it a little bit. Okay. It's not possible to magnify it. I'm not keeping the mobile by both hands. So, and rivet, now there is this size. Yeah, and it's obviously it's small one. So I need to reset up the rivet. Okay, I will reset up the riveting tool, and for this moment I will switch off the camera because the range for resetting was here, and I lost it somewhere. I need to check all my boxes and it will take me a little bit time. Okay, so I'm back and I need to exchange, but the thread is obviously gone. It has gone. So I will try to do it somehow. Okay. Okay, and riveting is prepared. Now I need to align everything. This will be like this way. I have two options basically to do it like this way or this way, but that way is much professional. I'm thinking, but it's not necessary to do any washes, to put any washes there. But this rivet is by one hand is very difficult. Okay, two hands is okay. Now we just need to take off the okay, perfect. Great. And we can watch the detail a little bit. We can watch the detail. Oh my gosh. You see that rivet is settled on the position and it's really very fixed. I don't know what high currents can cause in real conditions. We will see. But for this moment I'm satisfied. And the second thing, yes, I forgotten to introduce one more thing. Okay, I just tidy up the rivet pliers, and I would like to introduce this thing. This is 16 millimeters square millimeters cable, very high quality. I just improved one thing, that the eye, this element, respectively this part, is too narrow, so only few cables went inside and other were outside. So I just fortify or combine all the cables to be like common or joint conductivity by using soldering. So I put everything under solder. It's a little bit tough, but it doesn't matter, because it maybe it's even better when it's tough. And now this will be here from outside, and all conductivity will be secured or ensured by this screw. And it's very hard to see. I'm going to use a specific, okay, here we are, a specific electrician washer. It's very high conductivity and very good, because it has such a small teeth, and it will be settled with everything perfectly. So somehow like this way. Okay. But I'm not sure now what I'm going to do. I'm really not sure exactly what I'm exactly going to do. There is a dilemma whether to put it like this way. I can do it like this way, that I a little bit change my original design. I put it like this way. Okay, first of all I need to make a hole, but I need a little bit bigger, because it's a 5 millimeter screw there. Okay, on my finger. I always say myself, be careful. Oh my god, that is not a good idea, because this, ow. This wasn't a very good idea. But anyway, I believe that finally we can be successful in our experiment. Yes, now it's aligned a little bit. And there is question. I forgotten to tell you that here is thread. I made directly thread into material. So this could maybe help me a little bit. This could maybe help me, we will see. Problem is that I have limited sizes of the screws, so I need to be successful with only this length, because I have no other length. If this length is not okay, it will be problem. Okay, this I will put somewhere here, not to be. Okay. So I need a lot of different tools now. Maybe see, because I need to put it through somehow. It will be a little bit fight, to be honest. A little bit fight. Yes, it seems to be that it's too short. Unfortunately, it's too short. I will just put on the screw alone to test it, if there is technically possible to go through the material somehow, or if it's absolutely impossible. Because if it's impossible to do it with a screw, in that case there is no reason to continue with this way. And it looks to be okay. It's a little bit possible, but it's so. Maybe if I put only the eye without the washer, the washer is very important there, to be honest. But on the other hand, okay. Okay. Okay, I need to clean it a little bit because I did everything very fast and some things are not very good. Okay. Oh my god. Oh no. This one was for rivet. And this one what I riveted. Aha, now I understand what's happening. This one was for rivet, unfortunately. Now there is question what to do. If I should put out this rivet one. Okay, I will try to find another screw, maybe not from this material. Maybe different material, but a little bit more length. We have a little bit more length, but I don't have such material. Okay, I'm going to find something. I will switch off the camera. Okay, so I found such a number 5. And I need to compare. Yes, if I compare is a little bit, where is camera? If I compare, it's a little bit taller or longer, and then I can apply all elements and clad it. Yes, and this is also very nice because it is not brass material, but it is covered by zinc, and maybe it can do some good job. We will see. It is just always experimentation because nobody knows. But I hope that it's long enough because I need to go through this material. And then I need to use, okay, here is also original zinc. Perfect. And now I need to release because I need to, okay, I need to align this cable like this way before I tie off everything. Okay. Here is first effect. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't really look bad. We will see. What I'm going to do now. Right now, I need to put zip ties because nothing better I found in my workshop. Come on. I hope that I'm operating in front of the camera. Okay, one zip tie, maybe about one zip tie is enough now. Right now, I need to set up a small 35 millimeters. What's the size? This is size number 8. Okay. No, that's too big. It's too big. I need something different. What different I can... Okay, I have another tool. This tool will be better. I have common wrenches, basically not so common because size 8 here because they have ratchet inside, so now there is another problem. So finally I have to do it with total manual approach. Problem is the benefit is that here is no overturning because this kind of screw is keeping nicely all screw at the position, but here is a little bit overturning. Okay, anyway, I need to put it back into the vise. Okay, like this way. Perfect. Because I need to align everything. Then we modify a little bit this because it's horrible. But first of all, I need to tie off absolutely strongly to the reliable connection. No, it's not possible. Okay. Okay, looks to be going to be nicely tight. Now a little bit alignment, and now very forced tightening. Because this tightening is very important, because here is electrical connection basically. Okay, maybe a little bit more. We can file out if it's too big, but I don't think so that it's too big. And as I told you that now I will a little bit align inside this, nicely align to be inside, not to go outside this conductive strip, copper conductive strip. Yes, this is good that it can be, it has a very nice plasticity, so I can really play with this and really to hide it, not to be disturbing effect. Okay, I think that it's perfect now. Okay, so we can review this first modification. As we can see that yes, here is the original 16 millimeters copper cable, and here is the jaw. It's not so strong, but problem is that I had an accident in that finger, so I'm still healing. The finger is still healing. It looks like this from James Bond with these teeth, but this creature from James Bond, yeah. But maybe it will work. I will see. But this surface, maybe I need to little bit to make a little bit contacts or whatsoever, but there will be a lot of contacts. Like even this screw can be used as a contact. I let it be like it is, and after first testing I just need to do, oh, I forgotten one thing. Okay, so it's not so big issue, but problem is that I will lost one zip tie, because here we have these protections. Okay, I don't want to lose the zip tie, so I have to find a needle and just release the zip tie by needle. Somewhere is needle here. Here we are, needle. Okay. We need to play, where is the, I hope that it will be possible. Maybe not, maybe I should. Okay, tip tie is not so expensive thing. I really have no time to play with this, and then it will be very long video telling you nothing, so I will just use this fast approach. Okay, here, because maybe we can maybe save this one, we will see, but technically, okay, this should go here. Okay, this will be even a little bit trouble. I need some kind of sand or something like powder. I don't have this specific powder because here is sticky material. It goes not nicely over this sticky material. I'm thinking how to solve it. I know where is the powder. Sometimes we can help with feeding or special white minerals for reptiles. Yeah. It's powder, like powder, you know. Reptiles won't be very happy when they wake up in the spring and they found that I used their powder, their feeding material for this creature. They will be a very bad enemy. Okay, but anyway, it's not possible to put it there. Okay. It's a little bit better, but we need more powder. I should do it before, yes, that's the problem, that I didn't do it before and now I'm struggling with this. Maybe final solution would be to disassemble, and I'm very close to do that. I'm really very close to do that, and I'm going to disassemble it first. Maybe not necessarily absolutely disassemble, but at least like this way, that I can turn over 90 degrees. Yeah, and now it's nice. Yeah, this I needed. This I needed really. Okay. And of course we need to disassemble. I have no space here. Okay. Overlaying is like nothing here. A million tons of materials, one over the other one. Okay. Here we are. The soldering machine. Okay, and here we are. 60 degrees is too small. Okay. We set up how much? Maybe 200 degrees. Maybe we can change the program. Okay, 270 is okay. Can be 270. Okay. Okay, as I say, it's not absolutely perfect, but it's better than nothing. Yes, now it's a little bit more professional visage. Yes. I will tidy it up and tidy it back. Okay. Perfect. Great, and here is the second, but before this second I need to put zip ties. Oh my gosh. We have some of them here. And what we don't have there, we can find another. These zip ties are very small. I don't know if you want to put such small zip tie there. Okay, I was looking for these ones. These are really long. These ones? The same size, just the length is different. Okay, never mind. We'll see what kind of zip ties we can use. First of all, we start with this one. These gloves are not very professional because I cannot do professional job in the gloves. Okay. This one is nicely done. I will try to utilize or reutilize that one if it's somehow possible. Yeah, but I don't think so. Oh, maybe almost possible. Are missing me 2 or 3 millimeters. Okay, I don't want to fight with zip tie. One. I want to cut off a little bit. Some adhesive material, some extra material. Okay, perfect. And finally, we put next one here. And this side. Oh my gosh. This is crazy what I did. No, I did it correctly. No, I thought that I do it from opposite side, but it's correctly installed. There is something like the locker is very strong, but it's okay. For me, it's okay. Okay. This zip tie is really very professional. So I will double this one. Other such professional zip tie. Okay. And I will add some more, maybe here. Okay. Good. Here is not necessary somewhere because here will be so hot, so big temperature that it will be damaged. Okay. But now I have a problem because I cannot pull over this shielding. It's a really big problem. I have so many zip ties here that probably it wasn't necessary to put so many zip ties, I think. Yeah. So now I need to damage all the zip ties because I didn't test it that it's not possible to pull over. Okay, without zip ties it's possible. It would be nice when it is possible to do that. Okay, but I think that it's okay. But this zip tie must be cut off because this one is making collision. Okay, so this is nicely done. Now we will try to fix it. Oh my gosh, I forgot something. Look at here. Yeah, but it is, I will cover. I don't know if it's visible. Okay, it's not visible. Okay, so it's perfect, and now I will install another zip ties. Okay, it's possible to maintain, and maybe one more zip tie here. Okay, perfect. I think it is perfect. And this crazy thing, we don't need this crazy thing. Maybe to put it here, I don't know. Yes, but now it looks much more professional. I regenerate it and I will see in real conditions how it is welding, but looks that it will work somehow, yeah. Okay, this one is okay. We can just little bit, we can switch off. We can just a little bit clean it by abrasive material to be more conductive. Okay. This connection is okay. It's very reliable, very good connection. And maybe this side I can bend by tape, not to be such a raw material outside. I don't know if we have tape here. Yes, it will be very old. Maybe it's almost unusable. It's forever, tape forever, we call it. Tape forever, yes. Why this camera is so, I don't know where I should stay basically. Oh my gosh. I don't want to tear off. Okay, now it looks more professional. And that's it concerning this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'm not sure that how much is visible because I observed few times that I was out of the window. Basically, my work was out of the window, not me personally. Thank you very much. That's all from my